Doing a great job. Just pump it. Pump it real good. Just pump it. You big old boy.
He's big.
Big old boy.
Oh my gosh. He growled at you.
Sylvan Lake. Row, row, row in our boat. South Dakota. That's right. Sing it. Row, row, row your boat.
Check me down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is not a dream.
All right. Welcome to site number 55, Big Pine Campground in South Dakota, just outside of Custer. We're probably like mile or two to the southwest of Custer. So yeah, this is a really nice campground. I mean, there's campgrounds all over this place. I can't believe all the campgrounds that are all around. But this one is really nice. It's been very accommodating as far as the conveniences of the site. I mean, it's got a little activity for the kids. It's actually got a laundromat, has showers, has some great free showers. Also, the site here is very level. This is site, like I said, site number 55. Site is very level, did not have to use the Anderson blocks whatsoever. It's got full hookups, water, electric, sewer, 30 amp electric, like I said, full hookups with water. Water pressure is good, doesn't seem to be a problem. Didn't have to use a pressure regulator or anything like that. And then cell phone reception, we actually get a couple bars, internet through the phone there. This is through Verizon. And I did put up the antenna. I haven't had to use it yet. Thought I might have to use it for work, but ended up not using it yet. Let's see, what else? Yeah, so the site material here, as you can see, it's gravel. You can see back behind me here. But it's a good long site here. Let me just show you around just a little bit. So here, standing at the back of the site, it's got a little bit of space to your neighbors on one side, and a little bit more space to the neighbors on the other side. But back behind here, it's got a lot of open space back behind here. I'll show you that in just a second. Over on this side, like I said, here's your electric, sewer, water hookups over on this side. Just kind of a little pie-shaped connection. But I mean, if you just look at these trees, dude. This is why it's Big Pine. These things are enormous. I see why. But here, I'll come up here to the front. I mean, it's we're way back here in the back, by the way. Maybe I can take a shot of the map, show you, but Is it just lovely back here? Like I said, close by to Custer, easy drive in. So trying not to spin around too fast, but and then down the other side. We did have to park ours just over at a certain angle so we could get the awning to come out between the trees. We did need it yesterday. We got a little bit of rain yesterday evening, but it did its job. But yeah, so back here, back behind, like I said, there's a private fence that runs along this side and this side. But you've got a lot of this area right here. You can just go out, explore, play around in a little bit if you got the kids. But then, I mean, nothing behind you. Just sit back here and enjoy some nature. There you go. Site number 55, Big Pine Campground.